Hi, today we are going to see how to use Instagram filter. First of all, go to Instagram. From here, you have to add a post. I am adding a post. Here, you can see in the left bottom, filter icon is here. You can choose any kind of filter from here. Then, after choosing this, you can also set the lux of the post. After that, you can click on upper right, then your post will be ready. So that's the use of filter in Instagram. If you like this video, give the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.